Welcome to this week's Family Health Minute. This week's minute looks at the many health benefits that come from a good night's sleep. Sleep not only makes you feel and look better, but it is also a key part of a healthy lifestyle and can benefit your heart, weight, mind, and more. The sleep cycle has two recurring phases: REM, rapid eye movement, and NREM, non-REM or non-rapid eye movement. Both phases are important for different functions in your body. NREM sleep is 75 to 80% of your total sleep each night. During NREM sleep, tissue growth and repair occurs, energy is restored, and hormones essential for growth and development are released. REM sleep is 20 to 25% of your total night's sleep. REM sleep is when dreaming occurs. It is essential to your mind for processing and consolidating emotions, memories, and stress. It is also vital for learning, stimulating the brain regions used in learning, and developing new skills. Regular chiropractic care can solve several problems causing sleepless nights, such as back pain, breathing problems, and restless leg syndrome. Chiropractic care helps alleviate discomfort and improves relaxation and blood flow, making for a good night's sleep. Remember, chiropractic care is not just for adults suffering with sleep disorders. Children also greatly benefit from chiropractic treatment. Make chiropractic a regular health habit for the whole family to ensure your spines and nervous systems are working the best they can. And that is this week's Family Health Minute.